Was that a Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Okay, what colours do you have then, Savannah?
Pink, blue,
Light blue.
that is Jason green and got it in pink. And this is green, walking is green.
Okay.
So bubble is orange.
Okay.
So yellow is mummy.
Okay.
If
And we've got white. So, were you talking about Paw Patrol?
yeah,
Do you love Paw Patrol?
yeah. This is for Everest.
Really?
See white.
So, shall we mix some colours together? So, do you want to get the blue and the green and mix it together? Should we see what colours it makes?
I want to make flower.
You want to make a flower?
Yeah.
Savannah, if you get that colour and the yellow one and mix it together, it will make a new colour. Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay, so get the yellow one and the pink one. So take a little bit of the pink one, a little bit of the yellow one and mix it together. Okay, so what colour are you making? Are you mixing them?
Yeah. Blue, pink.
More pink.
More yellow.
Okay. What colour did you make? Was it orange?
Yeah.
Are you going to make more orange?
Yeah.
Oh, you got a rolling pin. Does a rolling pin help you make it smooth?
I'm making more orange.
Are you? That orange. It's a nice orange colour, isn't it? That is such a cool colour. What are you going to make now? Another reindeer? Wow. Oh my god. Oh, why did you do that?